The Indian Premier League is regarded as the richest T20 league in the world. Everything in the game is of excellent quality and the league has its own set of rules. Of course, it involves a significant sum of money with billions of dollars at stake. Well, the league also has a significant impact on Indian players. Many hidden talents from throughout the country were discovered thanks to the IPL. Indeed, it has transformed the lives of many young aspiring cricketers who previously couldn't afford to purchase their sporting shoes. So before having a look at the 5 inspiring stories of IPL players and their struggles, we request you to please subscribe to our channel The Vocal News for such interesting videos. Krunal Pandya and Hardik Pandya are the star all-rounders of Mumbai Indians. Hardik Pandya revealed in an interview how he faced financial problems and how he survived on Maggi before making it big. The two brothers come out of nowhere to become the best all-rounders in the world. Hardik Pandya was originally bought by Mumbai Indians at a base price of Rs 10 lakh. His brother Krunal Pandya was bought for Rs 2 crores the following year. Both Hardik and Krunal are the retained players of Mumbai Indians with price Rs 11 crore and Rs 8.8 crore respectively. T. Natarajan is the most well-known name these days, particularly among Indian admirers. Natarajan is a talented left-arm fast bowler for India who comes from rural background. He was raised in a household where his family's daily livelihood was entirely dependent on the street food stall. He rose to prominence as a result of his remarkable performances in the TNPL. In 2017, Kings 11 Punjab bought him for Rs 3 crore. This had a great impact on his family and they were able to overcome their personal difficulties as a result. He has already developed a coaching center in his hometown for young athletes. Indian right-arm fast bowler Mohammad Siraj was in the news a few days ago after his father died. Siraj's father worked as an auto rickshaw driver in Hyderabad. The pacer was rewarded for his efforts because he was originally purchased for Rs 2.6 crore by Sunrisers Hyderabad. In 2018, Royal Challengers Bangalore paid the same amount for him. He is now one of the most important members of Virat Kohli's team. Rajasthan Royals player Chetan Sakaria has overcome several obstacles in his life. He worked at his uncle's stationery shop while still in school to help pay for his cricket bills because his father couldn't afford equipment or coaching fees. Sakaria had to work hard because he does not come from a wealthy household. His father used to drive an auto but had health issues. Sakaria is now his family's primary breadwinner. In the auction this year, Sakaria was picked up for Rs 1.2 crore by Rajasthan Royals. Nathu Singh is one of the most well-known fast bowlers in the country. In Rajasthan, his father worked as a labourer in a wire industry. The pacer's family struggled financially throughout his childhood. Despite the fact that the fast bowler has yet to build a reputation for himself, the IPL has improved his family's fortunes. Nathu Singh was picked up by Mumbai Indians for Rs 3.2 crores in 2016. Unfortunately, he didn't receive as many chances to prove himself in the franchise. Please share this video as much as you can to let people know the inspiring stories of some super talented IPL players. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel The Vocal News and don't forget to like, comment and share. You can also follow us on Facebook and log on to our website www.thevocalnews.com to catch all the latest news.